Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi April 2021 card kit just arrived and this looks so fun. It's a gardening theme called Really Dig You, perfect for spring and summer. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a purple, a light yellow, a pink, an alcohol marker friendly white, and a tangerine orange. The 6x6 paper this month is an exclusive Love From Lizi design. There are 16 single-sided patterns and they're all garden themed. So there's some fun ladders, there's some gardening boots, florals, there's the little girls that are just ready to get out there and plant some seeds. Some polka dots. This one has a bunch of random little hearts. There's the gardening shed, some more florals, some more gardening tools. There's a fun stripe design that has tiny flowers in the center of the squares. There's some more little pink boots, and you could turn this paper any direction. Some nice tone on tone, and the final one looks like a paint splatter. There's a nice large 6 by 8 inch stamp set. So lots of different gardening images and then 5 sentiments. There's don't let things bug you, long time no see, find your inner peas, I really dig you, and remember your roots. And this month there are the coordinating dies. So there's a die that goes with each of the images on the stamp set. There's a brand new peel off color. It's this beautiful blue called Petrol, and it's in the pinstripe style. There's also a 6 by 6 inch stencil. This is a scattered heart design. And there's a pattern paper that has that same pattern on it. So you can see all these random little hearts. I think that one will be really fun to use. Next we have 5 different colors of ribbon, and there's 1 meter of each. And we also have the coordinating glitter enamel dots. So these colors match with the ribbons perfectly. There's also the sample size bag of sequin mix. If you really like sequins, you can always purchase a full bag as an add-on. And last but not least, we have the ephemera pack. So I'm going to take all of these out of the package and lay them out on my desk so you can see everything that's included. So lots of beautiful florals, there's gardening tools, there's several of the little girls that are ready to get out there and dig in the dirt. So that's everything that's included in the April 2021 kit. I did receive a few of the add-ons. First up is the Leaves and Vines stamp set, and I also have the Leaves and Vines die set. Now the images do look like the dies would coordinate with the stamp set, but they don't. They're very close, but they don't line up together. There are also 2 other add-on stamp sets that I didn't receive, and I will have links provided in the description box for all the add-ons and the products I show in this video. I did receive both of the peel-off add-on bundles. The first one is the pinstripe. There's a brand new color, purple holographic. There's green, lemon glitter, and brown mirror. The other bundle is the variety bundle. There's some mini hearts in pink. There's the blue sway. There's mauve moon dust in the straight, and mini circles with the gold glitter. The 4-pack peel-off bundles are a good value, and Lizi puts together colors that will coordinate with the kit. Lizi now has the essential packs with the new mini shapes. So we have the mini circles, the mini stars, and the mini hearts. And all of them come in the gold, the silver, black, and white. And on the white, you can color these with markers. So if you don't want to have white, you can change it to match the papers you're using. I love using all the new mini shapes for embellishments on my cards. They don't add any extra dimension, but it still has that lovely shine. Next up is the Pearlescent Cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. These are all single-sided, and it has that beautiful shimmer on the one side. There's a purple, a tan, a soft orange, a gold, charcoal, and a dark brown. These colors will match nicely with the kit and add that little bit of shimmer to your cards. The final item I wanted to show isn't a new item, but it's been out of stock for quite a while, but now it's back in stock. This is the Love From Lizi Background Builder Set 1. So there's several different dies. You could mix and match and create different card designs using just the dies. So here's one example. And they have that nice faux stitch detail along the outside. There's also one sentiment included. It's best wishes, and it fits perfectly inside that larger circle. Here's another example. You could cut out 4 of these smaller squares and put them inside the rectangle. It's great for finishing off some of those pattern paper scraps. Now here's just another look at the Love From Lizi April 2021 card kit. The theme is Really Dig You. This is a monthly card kit and quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in this kit or any of the add-ons I showed. And coming soon, I will have my card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.